Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to withdraw your money from Z-League. So what you basically need to do is you need to open up the application, and on your home page, you need to go on your icon. Press on the icon at the top right corner. From there, you'll go on your settings. So first of all, to withdraw, what you need to do is you need to claim account, and that you'll do by adding your email address and password. After claiming your account, what you need to do is you need to come back here, and here you can see the transactions option. What you need to do is from here you'll click on the transactions option. Now after that, you're at your transactions option. What you need to do is from here you can see you have $5 already. I've made almost $3 from here. And now what you need to do is from here you can go on the drop down button and press on cash outs, apply filter. If you have more than $20, it will give you an option to cash out. So when you make more than $20, then you can cash out using this by adding your details, and you'll cash out the money into your account. Thanks for watching and subscribe.